In a world painted by moonlight, some shadows hold secrets deeper than the night itself. Here, life has evolved not just to survive the darkness, but to command it. From this nexus of shadow and moonlight, a new form of predator emerges. Behold the Moonshadow Owl-Bat, an apex predator born of twilight.
A perfect fusion of silent avian hunter and nocturnal phantom.
We believe imagination is the greatest tool for discovery. If you share our passion for the unknown wonders, hit the subscribe button to join our community. Now, prepare for the extraordinary.
Its most defining feature, plumage that doesn't reflect light, but consumes it. These feathers are biological metamaterials, bending photons to their will. Its vision penetrates the deepest gloom, perceiving spectrums invisible to others.
Asymmetrical ears allow for three-dimensional auditory mapping, creating a perfect image of its world.
The leading edges of its wings are serrated, breaking up airflow to achieve truly silent flight. Talons, designed for a swift, decisive, and silent conclusion to the hunt. It is a creature sculpted from the very essence of its environment.
Beasts. Constant grooming maintains the integrity of its cloaking system.
Its existence is intrinsically linked to the lunar cycle.
Even as a juvenile, its predatory instincts are exceptionally sharp. It perceives the world not as we do, but as a complex tapestry of sound and shadow. In this vast, alien ecosystem, the Moonshadow Owl-Bat must quickly master its unique abilities to survive. The lunar shadow forest is a dynamic environment where darkness is not an absence of light, but a living entity. Now mature, the hunter is ready. Its domain is any surface the light cannot touch. The hunt begins, not with a cry, but with an unnerving silence.
Its prey is often bioluminescent, a beacon in the darkness for any normal predator.
But for the Owl-Bat, this light is a vulnerability to be exploited. It calculates distance, wind, and the path of the shadows with innate precision.
This is its unique power, the ability to become intangible shadow.
Through the shadow comes shadow.
The attack is instantaneous, unavoidable, and executed in absolute silence. A successful hunt, leaving no trace but oneless light in the forest. These hidden lairs provide sanctuary and a place to consume their ethereal meals. Its shadow cloaking is not just for offense, but is its ultimate defense.
In this forest of giants, to be unseen is to be immortal.
Even moments of basic survival are performed with stealth and grace.
To the creatures below, it is little more than a passing cloud in the night sky.
Communication is complex, a silent language of modulated light and shadow.
A visual lexicon hidden from all other species, ensuring their secrets remain their own.
Their interactions are brief, efficient, and always shrouded in secrecy. They are masters of their environment, adapted to every nuance of its strange climate.
Every action serves a purpose: to maintain the perfect state of invisibility.
This forest is a chessboard of light and dark.
And the Moonshadow Owl-Bat is its undisputed grandmaster. But what happens when the prey adapts? When safety is found in numbers? The predator must also evolve its tactics, moving beyond simple instinct.
It is about to demonstrate a level of intelligence previously undocumented.
It is not just hiding in the shadow, it is actively manipulating it. By absorbing and redirecting ambient light, it can stretch and warp its own shadow. This is not just hunting. This is psychological warfare, herding with fear itself.
The trap is sprung.
This is a profound leap, from passive camouflage to active environmental manipulation. It can create illusions, phantoms of its own design.
What other secrets does this incredible mind hold?
This advanced knowledge is not just instinctual, but is passed down. It is taught.
A culture of shadows is being cultivated, generation by generation.
The legacy of the Phantom continues.
The Moonshadow Owl-Bat represents a pinnacle of evolutionary design. A creature that has not merely adapted to its world, but has redefined its fundamental laws. It is a hunter, a ghost, an illusionist.
A living paradox that is both everywhere and nowhere at once.
It disappears one last time, returning to the darkness from which it was born.
And within that entity, a whisper of life. A hidden guardian, the moon, a constant witness, illuminating only what it chooses.
Every corner could hold a silent observer.
Life here has found a way not just to exist, but to flourish. It is a world of breathtaking, yet dangerous beauty.
The Moonshadow Owl-Bat is but one marvel within this alien tapestry. A reminder of the infinite possibilities of life.
As a new day approaches, the shadows recede.
The phantoms of the night retreat, awaiting the return of the moon.
But they are never truly gone. Simply waiting for their time to hunt again.
The world is shaped by bold ideas. Thank you for being with us. To join our community of explorers, please subscribe and share this video. Your imagination fuels our next voyage.